Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bulk update a contact using workflows. So in LeadCenter, you can bulk update contacts from the actions menu here. If I select multiple contacts, I can bulk update the stage, source, mark spam, remove from the pipeline, as well as assign an owner, scheduler, add to an event, update tags, update client status, and updating category, or deleting those contacts. Now, when I select this checkbox here, it will select 10 records. If I want to select all the records in the contact list or in the filtered list, I will select all and then run one of those actions. But what about if I want to update another field of the contacts? Let's say I want to update the office location. For example, here we have office location, and I want to select one of the office locations and bulk update all the contacts to, for example, Dallas, Texas. So what you can do this using workflows, where I can bulk check here and then run a workflow and select a workflow that will bulk update the office locations. But first I have to create that workflow. So I'll go to workflows and create new workflow and call it bulk update office locations. The first step in the workflow is to choose a trigger. The trigger will be manual. I can select a filter to safeguard against bulk up. If I selected more contact than I wanted, I can make sure that the bulk update or the workflow will run only for the filtered contact. But for speed, I will just select here update contact. And in the update contact, I'll select the field that I want to update, which is office location. And we will update it to Dallas. Of course, I can add multiple entries to update at the same time. For now, we'll just keep it one, click apply. And then I will save. Make sure to hit save and publish. Now the workflow is published. When I go to the contacts dashboard or the pipeline, I can select all the contacts, run workflow, and here we will bulk update office location. Click next. Here you can ignore the screen and click run workflow. Now the workflow is running in the back end, and when you refresh, and if I select the column office location, see all of them together, click save, I can see the office location for those 10 contacts got updated. So this is how you create a workflow to bulk update a contact record. Thank you.